Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am unboxing my new Wonderchef Nutri blend with you guys. So without further ado, let's get started.
It's a bill.
It cost 2949.
I choose black color. It's a user manual and recipe book.
It's a user manual and it's a recipe book. And these are the products.
Small one is grinder jar, medium one is blender jar, and this one is mixer jar. It looks so beautiful in your kitchen and it looks so classy. You can buy this from Amazon or any Wonderchef showroom. So friends, I will give you a demo. So friends, if you like my videos and want more interesting videos, then like, share and subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.